Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on how to do this. And then when he watched the video, he really wants something more like this, like it's torn out, like if you peeled off a label. Kind of easy. You know, we've got these in two different parts, so let's just move this one over here. And if we hold down the shift key and hit the rectangle, it puts a rectangle around there. So that's the easy part. Then I would make the box a little bit wider and a little bit longer. And I would actually click on it again. Well, let me click on the box and get it out of the way and do this again, holding down the shift key, making a rectangle. Now we can put that other box back. And then we need to basically just fill this in. So we're going to try to match the exact same color. Now I'm going to check to see whether that part has a background. And so I'm going to go to Object, Order, Backup Page. And you can see that it's transparent back there, so it's going to work. So then just take you can either take your Smart Fill tool or take the color eyedropper, but I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. And I'm going to get a sample of that blue, and then I'm going to fill this in. Then I'm going to select it all and right-click No Outline. Now, there's going to be a little bit of a line maybe, like you can see it when I'm zooming in and out. So what I'm going to do now is set my nudge factor on like 0.01, and I'm going to nudge, well, tell you what might have been better. Let me back up here. Let me think about this. I actually need to probably break that into either that or, yeah, let me stretch that box this way. Now take the Smart Fill tool, should still be on that same color, and we can do that. Now select that and right-click No Outline. But you can see now, you can definitely see the box. So my nudge factor's set on 0.01. I'm going to nudge that down and look at it disappear. But it appeared this way. So now I'm going to nudge it to the left and got rid of that line. And we have a line here. The only thing I can think of would be to just kind of squeeze the box in. Now it's a little bit off there because we've nudged it, but we can take our shape tool and move it over that side. And really, well, here's a good lesson. We can select both these and go up and align nodes vertically. Well, it did the opposite. I need to select this one first, then hold down the shift and select this one, and then go up to align vertically. And what it did, it brought that other node to that line. And there you have it. Now put a yellow background on it and put it to the back of page. And it looks like that piece is missing out of this piece. Now, I don't really know how to get this shadow from the curl, but it kind of maybe adds to it, like it's really there. You know, the shadow is kind of curling, and so is the shadow. And you can still, you know, change your text to different colors and make it stand out more like I did with the white. So here's the same thing. Let me move that box over here, and that looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.